Ever wondered why lemons have long been a staple in kitchens and natural remedies worldwide? Today, we're peeling back the layers on these sunny citrus fruits to reveal why they're not just a tangy treat, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. First up, lemons are a heart's best friend. Packed to the brim with vitamin C, a single lemon can provide more than half of your daily requirement. This vital nutrient supports cardiovascular health, and studies indicate that a diet rich in vitamin C can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, lemons contain plant compounds like hesperidin and diosmin that may help keep cholesterol levels in check. Next, let's weigh in on the role of lemons in weight control. While there's no magic bullet for weight loss, lemons do contain soluble fiber, which can help you feel fuller and curb overeating. Plus, the polyphenols found in lemons have been linked to weight-reducing effects in animal studies. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand these effects in humans. Moving on to another incredible benefit, kidney stone prevention. The citric acid in lemons can increase urine volume and pH, making it harder for kidney stones to form. Regularly consuming lemons may help keep these painful stones at bay. As a bonus round, let's not forget about the vitamin C boost. This essential nutrient does wonders for your immune system, helping fend off colds and keeping your skin radiant. Feeling a sniffle coming on? Reach for a lemon. In conclusion, lemons are small but mighty health boosters. Their refreshing tang can be a delicious addition to your diet, whether in the form of lemon water, lemonade, or as a zesty twist to your favorite recipes. So, don't just admire lemons for their vibrant color and tangy flavor, appreciate them for their impressive health benefits. Stay tuned for more health tips, and remember to keep it zesty. Thanks for listening, and until next time, stay healthy.